So how do you keep the brightness down on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you are first time on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe, and that way you are not going to miss anything important. Well, whenever you just dial down the brightness, and if it then changes later, it is very likely caused by the automatic selection and setting for the brightness. So the auto brightness is turned on. And you can disable it and change it inside of the settings by going to the accessibility section and then tapping on the display and a text size. And at the bottom, we have the auto brightness. So you might want to disable it, like turn it off. And that way, the brightness that you select on your iPhone will actually stay that way. So I hope it makes sense, right? So if you have the automatic option enabled, you can adjust the brightness as much as you want. But when you change your environment, perhaps you go outside, the brightness will be bumped up again. So for manual and 100% control of the brightness yourself, disable the automatic change right here. And that is about it from me. Let me know if it helped you or if it fixed the issue for you. In case of any questions, leave them below. It's possible that me or even someone else might have the answer for you. So just give it a try, right? And most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.